There go Miguel. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? You good? Doing good. Can't complain.
So they let you fish for like a few hours?
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
How do you think that it looks?
I think it looked good. And then I seen online, they're like, oh, it's stacked with fish. So we'll see.
I see that boat over there. Probably they do like some type of sport or something like that. Do you
Yeah.
think that it will be okay to fish? What do you think?
Yeah, I think so. Because the lady seen me with the kayak, she didn't say nothing.
Yeah, the same thing.
And I looked it up. I said, could we bring our kayaks and fish online? It said, yeah. Right. Yeah, let's see how it goes. We on, bro. Yep. Nice one. Oh, shit. Peacock. Definitely. This the part I haven't figured out yet on getting the fish off while in it. That's why I got the rod holders. Where's my phone? Splash my face. Oh. Bro, I don't like that. Oh, bro, you gotta come get a shiner. Oh, hey, you gotta come get a shiner, bro. Come over here. You gotta get one, bro. Another one, bro. Yeah, you gotta. Yo, you gotta get this. You gotta get a shiner, bro. You gotta come try. Yeah, and I think I'm gonna have to keep him too. Yeah, he got gut hooked. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep him. You ever ate one? I ate one. Oh, they taste good. Yeah, no, that's not coming out. Look at that. Either hook the tail or you can hook through the head like I do. Either or works. Need a hook? Oh yeah, definitely. Yep. You know all you do? All you gotta do, either hook his tail or through the nose, and you good. Now it's throwing right in front of this tree over here. Hook it through his nose. literally right here in this tree. And then I just let the line out so it could go. See, that's him right now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Huh? No, that's not the shiny. Got him. Oh, no, you didn't. Well, that's a baby. Go right here, bro. Go right there, bro. Oh, I hate this guy. And just wait. Yep. I don't like it.
Cigars over there too.
Garfish?
Cigars, you know, like the one that has like a little teeth.
Yeah. And he'll eat that shiner. And I always forget what these call, but these brought me luck too.
Yeah, it's like a jig.
Yeah. Those brought me luck. I caught something on that. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, okay. This was the first fake bait I caught something on.
Oh, no, that's
Yep.
you know these I started using it like a few days ago.
Yeah?
The good thing that you can do is like it's like top water.
Oh.
If you bring it like with the top of like the rod like up high,
Huh?
otherwise you can bring it like down and it's gonna be making like the same movement.
Underwater. Yeah, damn. Damn. Yeah, that make bass go crazy. I know it would. But right over there was a largemouth. He was swimming. Yeah, I like that, bro. Yeah. No, that's good. That's why I use that jig head thing. It got like a skirt on it that blocked a weed guard that blocked the hook. So I could rip it through anything. Yeah. Yeah, I kept hearing them every time we was coming close over here. I kept hearing them. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I didn't know that. Bro, you just heard that? You just heard that? The peacock literally chased it all the way up to the top while I was reeling him back. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get his ass. No! I keep missing him. Fuck. Keep missing him. Literally snatched it out of his mouth. Damn. And he keeps getting it every time I bring it right back to the kayak. Yep, he ain't getting off this time. Won't get off this time. Got another peacock. Yep. Yep. That.
Good fish.
Yep.